Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix incorrect password on Craigslist. Now when you first go to enter your login information here, sometimes you will have this problem with they say incorrect password. Now this usually do that because you have written your password in a wrong matter, so you need to actually write it correctly. There is few steps in order for you to write your password correctly, as if this website is very old and you don't have the icon here that could let you view if you have written your password correctly or not. The first thing is to try and switch your keyboard to the right one. Sometimes by having multiple keyboard layers, it could be a little bit confusion, so just try to check if you have changed your keyboard by mistake. The second thing is to make sure that your email is correct, which is very important. That should be very common for a lot of people. Just a simple one letter mistake could cause this issue. The second thing, if you are make sure that your email is correct, for example, this email. Now, what I'm gonna usually do is to go ahead to the email section and go and write my password there so I can see it by my eyes. Copy it and then paste it in the password section, and then I'm gonna put here my email. Here I can click on login, and if you still have the problem, then what you could do is this: just write down here your email and then click on email a login link. And what will it do is it's simply gonna send you an email to your, or send you a link to your email. This link will remain active for the next 30 minutes, and it could let you log in directly to your account without putting in any password. So this is like a shortcut thing. And yeah, this is probably it for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a beautiful comment. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.